Right now, there are 8 cars behind me, and all of them are going to be put on this airstrip and raced. There's no holding back, and it's going to be a lot of fun. My name is Micah Bodell, and I'm with the Petersen Automotive Museum, and today is the ultimate head-to-head.
Wait. Let's rewind. Before we start racing, let's talk about these high-performance Audi wagons. The first Audi is a 1994 RS2 Avant owned by YouTuber DeMuro. The RS2 was actually a collaboration between Porsche and Audi and featured a 2.2 straight 5, producing 315 horsepower and 302 foot-pounds of torque. It had a curb weight of just over 3,500 pounds and a top speed of 163 miles per hour. The RS2 Avant could get from 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 4.8 seconds. These were supercar numbers at the time, and 0 to 100 miles an hour in 13.1 seconds. The quarter came just after that at 13.6 seconds. The RS2's collaboration with Porsche meant it could turn and stop just as good as it could go. Only 3,000 RS2 Avants were made, and we have absolutely no idea why they never came to the US. Paying homage to the original RS2, this 2021 Audi RS6 features a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, producing 591 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. It's a hair under 5,000 pounds and can propel itself to some very impressive acceleration figures. The RS6 can do 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds, 0 to 100 in under 8 seconds, and cruise to a top speed of 190 miles per hour if unlimited. Audi's suspension upgrades include a newly updated 5-link front and rear setup, RS adaptive air suspension, and all-wheel steering systems, something that makes this car very, very special. And most importantly, you can win this very RS6 on Omaze. When you enter for a chance to win this car, your proceeds support the museum, its education programs, and content just like this. Now, let's get back to the race.
This is Doug DeMuro, and today we will race my 1994 Audi RS2 against this 2021 RS6. I know that I have no chance, but this will be fun. Alright, we're gonna go here.
30. 60.
That was a good launch. Whoa! I obviously still got destroyed
Quarter mile.
by the RS6, but that was a serious launch. I got this thing up here, quarter mile, 15. And I'm over here talking about how fast I think this car is. Well, the original magazines did a better job. There's no question
30.
about it. That actually felt really fast to me. I was like, damn, this is pretty good. That is so funny. All right, going for round 2 here. against the RS6. We all know, again, what's going to happen, but it is fun to be able to drive the RS2 as hard as I want. All right, ready, set,
roasted the clutch a little bit, trying to have a great start, and it was a pretty good start. This time I was terrified to roast the clutch, and the result was that I got even more destroyed somehow by the RS6. But that is just a fast damn car. But this is not slow, and I just feel confident in this car, and I really like that about it. I know it's an old Audi, and so I'm always constantly joking and worried that it's going to break, but I don't know, it doesn't feel like that.
Hey, Jonathan here with an urgent reminder that this is your last chance to win this 2021 Audi RS6 Avant. Maybe that wasn't quite urgent enough. Can we cue some dramatic music, please? All right, now imagine the thrill of driving around in one of the most anticipated cars of the year. Next, visualize how the flared fenders and aggressive 22-inch wheels will turn heads anywhere you go. And picture that moment when you realize your wagon features a near 600 horsepower V8 capable of hitting the 0 to 60 times of a supercar. So now that you understand how urgent this is, don't miss out. Go to omaze.com/win-this-Audi and enter before the deadline for your chance to take home the highly anticipated 2021 Audi RS6 Avant, plus $20,000 cash. And best of all, every donation supports the incredible work of the Petersen Automotive Museum. Thanks for donating and good luck.
Thank you everybody for watching. Be sure and hit the like button and subscribe.